Wendy's is the latest fast food chain to test out a veggie burger, and the craziest thing is Steve-O from Jackass might be behind it. Hey, I'm Gillian on Buzz60. I know, it sounds like I made it up, but I didn't. Wendy's is testing out a veggie burger in 2 locations in Columbus, Ohio. It may seem out of left field, but Wendy's is actually based in Ohio. The veggie burger is a black bean patty with tomato, lettuce, Colby pepper jack cheese, and Asiago ranch sauce in a multi-grain bun. Whether you're a vegetarian or not, that sounds delicious. This is the latest attempt for Wendy's to distance itself from being just another unhealthy fast food place. In April 2015, Wendy's introduced its first ever certified organic drink, Honest Tropical Green Tea. So here's the Steve-O part. A week before Wendy's announced it was testing a veggie burger, Steve-O started a Change.org petition for that exact thing to happen. He cleaned himself up in every sense and is promoting a healthy lifestyle, which is awesome because he used to live the complete opposite of a healthy lifestyle. Anyway, if you hate change, don't get too uncomfortable. Wendy's is still Wendy's. They also added ghost pepper cheese fries, and apparently the pretzel bacon cheeseburger is back for good. So rest easy, traditionalist friends. Buzz60, now you know, pass it on.